Welcome to the video, where today we will tackle a common problem faced by data collectors. The problem at hand involves receiving two arrays of PScustom object data every 30 minutes, where the first array contains old values and the second array contains new values. The task is to identify and extract the rows where the last column Actie has changed in order to post only the changes. Now, let's delve into the solution. By using the compare object cmdlet with the pass-through parameter and specifying the properties waarde and Actie, we can retrieve the complete row data of the new changes. This allows us to filter and select only the rows where the values in the Actie column have been altered, providing us with a refined list of new items. Building upon the previous step, the resulting list will display the column's name, waarde, and action for each row that has undergone a change in the Actie column. This refined output ensures that we only capture the relevant information needed to track and post the modifications effectively. In summary, by implementing the suggested solution using compare object with pass-through and property parameters, we can efficiently identify and extract the rows containing changes in the Actie column from the two arrays of PScustom object data. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any additional tips.